Welcome guys, welcome everyone. Hey, welcome everyone, great to see you, great to have you on board. How do you feel? Welcome guys. Happy morning times, happy evening times. Another week, another opportunity. How do you feel? What's up guys? Welcome traders, good morning, good evening, great to see you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Wow. There's already so many of you on stream ready to fly and monetize. The price section, which obviously is dealing with an interesting situation here today. We're not having too much about the volatility as we got used last week, but we still touched some significant levels. Today we pretty much got rejected by the daily volume weighted average price that's been punishing us. One very important thing, guys, last month's low been holding nicely here on a retest. That's important, I would say. Good day, everyone. Great to see you. So happy to have you on board here. 125,000 today for the giveaway. Make sure to sign up, like the video, be subscribed. We're going to trade our accounts. Got to change up the promotions here for the banner. We have another promotion, another banner for the YRM. Oh, look at that Valentine's promo. Hey. YRM is running a Valentine's promo, guys. I've been talking about it on my Monday consolidation, certainly. Between the algo levels, so here's the YRM promotion for Valentine's. $50,000 account is down from 80. I've been noting here. Sales and promotion is down from, but we're going to talk about it a little bit later today. In the meantime, I'd like to present you. Let's go. Kids are leaving the office right now. So we're publishing on groups. Make sure to invite your friends, invite your buddies. We're live. We're trading. And we're running a lovely giveaway. Thank you, guys. Yeah, certainly. Let's go. Great to have you guys. Great to have you. We don't have anything scheduled for today, but the week is pretty packed up starting by tomorrow. I'm gonna trade and I'll get started with our YRM account. This one is what I'm gonna trade, this one. It's an account that's down $952. That's how much. And then the next one. First day we made 600 bucks. And then we have a fresh one with 0 days. So we're gonna trade on YRM. Lovely retests of the daily weekly opening for sure. Lovely. This is the 200 EMA, the purple line. It's going to come around 100s. Exactly, Lindsay. And it's not 69, it's less with scramble coupon code. I have extra discount on top of the discount, right? It's 65. It's 65, yep. So you guys can grab unlimited. You have no limit. You can trade unlimited, but you can only have 3 funded. If it happens to have more to be funded, you keep them on pause. But I think it's worth to take advantage of the promo. And you can do copy trading nicely on Deep Charts Volumetrica. There is an integrated copy trader. Testing out along here. Testing out along here. It's a lovely reaction rate. I sold some. I'm fully out. $281. Look at that. We're going to celebrate that, guys. We're going to celebrate that because that's 281 bucks profit made on the first trade of the week. Starting with the right foot. Boom. In the right direction. Whew. We've been waiting for this level, and the market is bouncing on it. We made our 281. Indeed, we're still below the original balance, but I'm telling you something, guys. Accumulating profits is key here for me. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Good morning, good day, everyone. Thank you, guys. Wow. There's nothing better to get started with a lovely fireworks show. There's nothing better than that. And first green of the week, 1,000. Good job. Props God, look at that. We have a new picture on our Discord. Ready to take control of the prop space. Having a lovely time out here. This is looking pretty good, guys. Oh my god. So under the sales and promotions, we have updated with the latest things of the week. You can always find out there. 65 bucks from 88 for the YRM. Pretty juicy, right? Look at that lovely retracement we're getting. I'm not touching it yet. How does the 69 bucks? Yeah, it's 65 right now with Scrambo code. No activation fee. It's one-time fee, no monthly fee. Very important to know. You have to pass the evaluation. It's like a classic 50,000 challenge. Classic 50,000 challenge. Pass the evaluation. The evaluation is at 3,000. Consistency is 50%, which means you can pass your evaluation in 2 days. Your end of the day trailing is, at 2,000. Basically, the classic 3,000 target with a 2,000 bucks trailing. That's the classic version. And then on the funded stage, you can take 50% of your profits made during the cycle. The payout is 1,500. Consistency is 35%. And days basically required for trading are 6 days for the 50k challenges. And for all the challenges, basically 6 days with 35% on the funded stage. No activation fee, one-time fee. Grabbing my long from here on the other account. This account is day number 2. We made $600 on Friday, which was the first day. Yeah, we're gonna bounce here, which is a level basically. I'm considering the green line, maybe slightly lower, so I sold partially, accepted a partial loss in case the market is going deeper. I'm gonna reaccumulate on that. Because I'm watching the green line here on 92, and that's basically an important point for me. I'm fully out for the moment. And I'd like to test out my long around the 90s. Right. So I'm putting some limit orders there. Just like that. This is the place basically we've been bouncing earlier from this algo. Dynamic swing and short volume at an average price. Yep. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Good morning, Jake. Good morning, guys. Come on. Good day, everyone. So we got to be moved our top 1 futures accounts from Project X to Tradeovate. And we do have all the active accounts here. Yeah. Come on, bring it down. Oh, it's been great. It's been great, thank you. Relaxing times. Relaxing times. Testing out along here in case this level holds and we get a movement I'd like to be part of. Hope you guys had a lovely weekend and a lovely time. People still wanna still joining on a stream. People still joining for the stream. Could be a temporary bouncing level, but I do have some of the contracts. Yeah, probably the next 5-minute candlestick, guys. Would be lovely to have it green the next 5-minute. There's still a minute to go out of the current one. Scramble on fire. Yeah. We had a good profit earlier. 281 bucks on the first traded account. It's very important, and we stopped trading that, and then we're continuing basically with the second on YRM, which is, by the way, running their Valentine's promo. Oh gosh, great. And I'm looking forward to adjusting basically and trading Lucid Flex accounts today. A lot of Lucid Flex account is going to be traded today. I like to bring some into the funded sector. Yeah, for those of you trading Lucid, guys, keep in mind 40% off on any evaluation. First 5 purchases, right? After this first 5 you're buying with the current campaign, it's going to be 30%. So make sure you utilize your 40% off in the best accounts you guys can think about. Lovely time here, putting together some good numbers. So I'm expecting another green candlestick, otherwise I'm going to accumulate into a retest of levels below the 100. And I'm going to also long a different account. Yeah. Probably accidentally, right? Because that used to be the price even before. That used to be the price even before. Probably they haven't done it on purpose. That used to be the price even before. And since 1st of February, prices have changed. But certainly the instant funded is a great option, guys, you want to think about. 450 with my code instead of 540. That's 50% off, not 40. And the target is much better, for example, than Lucid or Tradeify. Much better. I think that's a good point to know. Because they request you 6%, and these guys are requesting less. 6% for 150,000 is basically 9,000. I don't like that rejection, guys. I don't like it. But I'm not going to get scared. Not going to chicken out of this. The entry point is still not below the 100s because we had today see a little higher too. But still here you can get a movement of 20 points quite quickly out of the blue. And I wouldn't like to miss anything like that. Having my green tea. There you go. Come on. I'm right there waiting for... with some nice limit orders. And even on the new account, I'm going to bid. Even the new account is going to bid here. Oh, lovely. Let me do some... let me do some... set up some copy trader here for trade evade, right? Let's do a copy trader. $150,000 end of the day. This one, and this one. Save. Alright. So give me that. This is the one I want to trade. No, I got rejected. Got rejected for some reason. I have to investigate. Oh. Instant funding, more money to Scrambo's pocket. Exactly. Insane amount of money in my pocket from there. I always buy from each account you guys are purchasing 2 houses. But they're houses at Monopoly, right? They are not houses in real life. Monopoly. Or let's put it that way, ice cream money. I get ice cream money. You can buy ice cream for kids. Alright, so 150,000 direct funding is 5 days trading for the payout. It is basically 8 days, just like Lucid. 8 days. Simplistic videos. You got a bunch of the snow happening there. I'm not really an expert on utilizing the silly trade evade. I got no idea what's happening here with trade evade, guys. No idea, I'm sorry. No idea. I have no idea what's happening with trade evade and how to use it. Nah. Forget about trade evade for the moment. Exactly, simplistic videos. Lucid flexes 5 days once you pass, and you have no consistency, no target on your funded stage, so you can leave your winners, come back to your screen, and see how much money has been printed. Lucid Flex is a type of account. You just pretty much open up your trade and you can leave, do other stuff, right? Come back and see how much money you made. Look at that rejections, guys. They're playing games with us here. Should have received 20-30 points since that. But they're playing some games with us, and happy Monday times, things are slow. We might be choppy here before we start running back up to the upside. I'm out for the moment. We have made about 400 bucks or something like that, and we have eliminated the loss we had. Right, so we're back into little profits there. I don't know why Trade-Away, like, you know, there's a crazy amount, immense amount of people, tremendous amount of people preferring Trade-Away, tremendous amount of people saying Trade-Away is top notch. Like, I'm certainly having a hard time to see why is this thing top notch above this. At the age of 2, at the age of 3, they never, I mean, they do cooperate, but less likely to do that when they're sleepy, when they didn't have enough sleep, when I'm not playing with them, and I have to be on the stream. Oh my gosh, Ninja Trader, the same story. Like, you know, this are pretty difficult compared to, not user-friendly compared to, for example, deep charts from Volumetrica or Project X, the way it used to be. You get used to it, and you can find the way around it for sure. Come on, guys, bring it a little down. Have a lovely wick here. I'm waiting. The green line is there. The green line is there, and it's waiting. We're buying here. Look at that. Lovely entry, but only with 10 contracts because I didn't have time. I guess the other account had the... Oh my gosh, we missed the entry by a single tick. Look at that. We missed the entry to become millionaires by a single tick. How on earth is this possible, guys? Are we cursed for the Monday? That's how we start this week? What's wrong with me? I've done my prayers? Nah. 10 contracts here. We have sniped in a pretty good entry. I mean, you don't be shy, guys, you know. It's just, you know, call me a market makers with that entry. Call me an institutional trading guy. Just do it, guys. Call me. This guy, Scrambo Institutional Trading, is reversing the markets. Look at that. I had the ability to reverse the markets there. And now, I'm going to do this right now. Okay, I'm gonna do this right now. Just wait. This is like you know, Lucid trading. You just open up your trade and you come back the next day and you have a bunch of money. Misses by a tick, exactly. We get an opportunity here to re-enter. Buy a limit over there, buy a limit over here. And on this account, I'll have to buy a little higher. Lovely. Contracts have been filled up. The only thing is needed basically is the markets to hold at those levels. Come on. It's not bad, right? $8,000 divided by 5. Let's see, how much is it? 8,000 is my target. 20% consistency. You could achieve that in 5 days. 1,600. So I shouldn't do more than 1,600. There you go. What do you guys think about this one? And then the next thing we gotta do is this. Right? That's a magnet. No, I'm just doing that for the market makers to generate the map, and they know what they have to do. Let's see. Good day from Italy. Good day, guys. Great to have you on board. We're trading the YRM accounts, and then look at that Valentine's promotion they got. Big discounts, instant funded from 540 down to 450. Peanuts. Oh my gosh, we just dipped once again. This is silly, silly, silly. Nah, this is silly. Right? I'll put some limit orders there. Yep. The other account is having the entry a little higher. Gonna put some limit orders for this one too. This is the scenario here. This is day number 2. It's not behaving today for sure. It's actually strongly misbehaving today. So I'm wondering about my Lucid. I'll open up Lucid. We have the Lucid Black in a good position. But I'm gonna... Come on, touch that. Oh my gosh. We didn't touch that. Come on. I've moved it a little lower. Wow. We were so close in having it build up. You know, if this is still dumping, I'm not gonna like it. Hey. We had a great entry earlier. Let me see the trending line here, guys. Oh, there you go. There you go. Should we underestimate this trending line? What do you guys think about? Oh, there you go, red candles. Sorry to hear that. That's a big one. But the interesting part, red candles, is that some of our community members, after waiting for weeks, they got paid. Last week, Ticktick Trader got back to me saying that they're working, want to resume, and they're refounding people that are having active accounts or stuff like that, slowly refounding people. So you might get your payout, or you might get a refound, or there's going to be something with you for sure. Red candles. But the interesting part is someone got paid after waiting for more than 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, something like that. Oh my gosh. That's not good, right? This is the disadvantage of winning accounts. Nah. Oh. I've DC'd here, guys, with market order. I've DC'd here. I'm not gonna say trust me, for sure not. But I've DC'd there. And I think I've done a decent thing. Let's see. Time to set up. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry to hear that. We'll have to see. I think you've catched the worst period to cash out from a free account. You've catched the worst period of the company. Oh, Lucid is top level. Best out of the best. Especially with a flex. Constant rejections here coming through is quite interesting. Not much enthusiasm behind for sure. Trading my first Lucid Flex for the day. Right here. Fresh account Lucid Flex. Oops. No copy trading for the moment. Great to see you. Flat hourly opening here on the candlestick side. 30 minutes to when the market opens. Could get something from here. Let's see if this is what the markets were waiting for. Although the trending line here is still intact. It's still intact. 1 minute is not looking the best for sure. Uncertainty there, but there's some distribution coming along. So a wick below and then a prompt reaction would be amazing. Yeah. Not bad. Especially here, not bad, right? We need 1,600. Not bad, guys. Come on. Exiting 103 here. But then what about for the Lucid Flex account? Come on, guys. Give me some strength. I'll put a stop loss on break even here for the Lucid Flex account. I got my exit way higher for sure. I'll put a break even here and leave it like that. So we're risk-free. This is the situation where things are pretty spicy. The entry is a little higher. Is a little high here, the entry. Is a little high here. Good morning. Great to see you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to sign up for the giveaways we've got today. 3 giveaways. You got to like the video, be subscribed, and join the Discord for those of you that are fresh. Well, we do stream daily. We trade daily. We do giveaways daily for free. That could be an interesting spot here to relong it. But I'm a little bit concerned they want to take the wick. I'm a little bit concerned. We touched the break even, by the way, on Lucid Flex for the Quant Tower. I'm putting some limit orders for the Flex Quant Tower here. Yeah, it's the community for traders, and if you want to win and be part of the giveaway, you gotta be part of the Discord too. Great, 5 contracts have been filled up here for the Lucid Flex. That's great, I would say. Now the question is, will it hold sufficient? Will it hold sufficient? This candlestick still has 1 minute and 30 seconds to go, and the trending line is there, guys. Let me share with you. That's a lovely reaction. Come on, guys, look at that. The trending line is still there. It's intact. If we close even like this, if we close like this, it could be a starting point. We need the next candle, basically, a 5 minute to nicely adjust above 100. Right, so let's see. How much do I need here for the exit? I need 4,500 today. That's going to be half of the target. 50% consistency in 2 days. It's good, right? 117 for my exit target here, making 4,500. I think that's good, right? The entry is lovely. Stop loss and break even. The entry is lovely. At the very low of the structure. Usually, once you have a barcode pattern appearing, and there's numerous wicks under the barcode, the ultimate one takes the liquidity and then most of the time reverses quite strongly. So hopefully the one we had was actually that one, specifically of that pattern. I don't like this. I think we got stopped out, yeah. We touched the break even. Retesting my long here, but not too happy about it. Let's see. We get anything? Have these sit a little more? If it holds, it's going to be a pretty juicy one. We're 5 contracts in this trade. This is a Lucid Flex evaluation. Depends. But most of the time, I am monetizing the price action on longs. Most of the time. I'm very optimistic about the whole thing of life, and I think that influences me towards being long biased, which is not helping for the scalping. It's helping for the long-term things, right? If I'm buying Nasdaq today or as a spot purchase, right? Could be good for the long term. That's the place long-term buys helps me. Need to move here. It's an interesting level, guys. Whatever 30-40 points are gonna be lovely. $30 points. It's not allowed. It's getting stuck. Look at that. Not even after the flat hourly opening. There's still 22 minutes to go and the market opens. I was thinking about a little uptrending channel once we have this hourly opening, but it's not the case. We're still bleeding. We're still bleeding. So I'm gonna cut this if it continues to be. Yeah. Come on, guys. Nah, this is so bad. This is so bad here. This is so bad here. Look at that. It forces me to get out, and then at some point it's gonna rip. Right? It's gonna rip at some point, guys. It forces me to get out from all the 1 minute candlesticks, refusing to finally unleash. Forces me to get out, and the whole thing is gonna just fly. Oh my gosh. As soon as I'm gonna get out of this trade, the whole thing is gonna rip, guys. The whole thing is gonna rip. It's incredible. Should have been retesting the 90s. We're waiting. We're waiting. Yeah. Come on, guys. This could be interesting. This could be interesting. Just a matter of time. Nah. The price action is in a such way that we're always having that specific feeling. We're wicking and reversing. You make a wick, you reverse. A lovely weekend, great, relaxed, enjoyed. And we spent a bunch of the time. Come on, guys. Alright, that's the lowest there. Not gonna allow this thing to go lower. That's the lowest. And it's pretty much going to be the same thing for... are we still pressing? Yeah. We have still pressed. Look at that. Stop loss once again below this whole thing. Making another wick. We get stopped out once again. It's pressing. Wow. What about now? Ripping. What about right now? Ripping. Fake movement. All the way back. Incredible. Fake movement all the way back. Look at that. We've been gamed out. We've been outplayed on this one. Look at that, Fred. We have been outplayed on this one. That was a lovely long. Lovely. But it kicked me out. We had an interesting 5-minute closing. Look at that. My gosh. Sold partially. Accepted a little loss. Might have the opportunity to rebuy cheaper. This is the way the 5-minute looks like. We had a zone here of demand zone, which has been respected so far, guys. Look at that. The prompt reaction below the 60s, right? So we were down to 55, so that prompt reaction is a proof that things could actually hold. Yep. I'm still holding it here with a couple of contracts, 40. The other account is... you know, I'm going to sell partially here and accept the partial loss for this one too. We have an account here, which we also long. We have $2,000 profit here. This is $2,000 profit. It's a little bit too much for sure, which is why I'm out. 2,000 profit here. It's great because this is instant funded. 2,000 profit. We're going to celebrate this one, guys. Come on. Ho, 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 ho. 2,000 profit here for the 150,000 YRM. We got to take care about this ones. This is not setting in the best shape possible. Retesting a DCA here. Retesting to do some DCA here, and I'm opening some good trades on yeah. We're getting quite aggressive, right? Look at that sell-off. Impressive, guys. Look at that sell-off. Impressive. We got quite a profit here. I'm out for the moment. 1,000 secured. Last month's low is an interesting point. 25.025. There's one thing at the 40s here. You say we could be bleeding all the way to the opening. Another 10 minutes. Yeah. We're touching the 40s. And there is a little bouncing coming through. I'm trading the flex accounts one by one. See, they're very, very valuable for the funded stage. Really valuable for the fund that stage, guys. Let's go. As soon as we bounce, I'm certainly going to leave this one to retouch at least the 100s. I'm not expecting a small move. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord, guys, to participate in the giveaways today. You got to do that. We're going to start a giveaway soon, because I have to leave a little earlier today. So giveaways will start soon. You got to like the video, otherwise you can't participate. We're not moving, guys. What's happening with this? We're not doing too much. Not bad, right? But we gotta be more aggressive. We gotta be more aggressive. Look at my account here. We missed the entries. We accepted earlier a loss, 448 here. Oh. That's interesting for the Lucid Flex, guys. 2,100 profit here. That's very interesting. I'm still leaving it open. That's very interesting. This one is making too much as well, 3,000 bucks. Right. I'll be selling something. Stop loss break even here. But we have secured 3,000 bucks here. And then the Lucid account is looking pretty good. Finally, the movement we've been waiting for. This candle right now, third candle in a row, green, taking partial profit. If I get it. Five Lucid Flex, 50,000 to pass. I would, if you like copy trading, that I would do 2 copy traded, another 2 and separated copy traded, and then 1 traded alone. That would be the formula. I put my break even there, trailing a little bit. And then I would start basically considering to, on some of the accounts, be more aggressive and leave the winners run, while other accounts should pretty much secure the daily targets. That would be the philosophy behind, right? So some of the accounts would go for the winners, that you leave them to run and produce you extra money, that you can pretty much find yourself in a very comfortable spot for the account, making 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 in a day, just because you've left your winners to produce. And then other accounts I would consider basically certainly just touching the targets that you set up and then nicely securing that, right? So I would have these two different ways of considering, for sure. And then certainly you gotta be careful about the losses too. Depends on your targets. You exiting a little bit here, guys. Yeah, I sold something a little bit. I sold, actually, I'm fully out. 3,162 profit. 3,162 profit, guys. Oh, finally. You know, this 150,000, once you get them funded, they're extremely valuable. That's very good. I'll try to do another 1,400. Market is opening in less than 2 minutes. I'm also going to be out from here. We made too much here. $4,000 profit. We made a little bit too much here, but that spot was very, very juicy, and I had to take it. Celebration time for this one too, 4,000 bucks. Now, you know, this is with consistency, which is, I'm gonna have to lose something. It's with consistency, guys. Yeah, we don't have that rule anymore. It's allowed to do news trading. It's allowed. YRM evaluations can be passed in 2 days. 2 days, not 1 day. Thank you guys, appreciate it. 1 minute and the market opens. Look at that. Look at that silly thing. You know what I'm gonna do? "30 seconds and the market opens." Careful, guys. Thank you so much. Make sure to like the video. Come on. Be subscribed, join our Discord. We've got basically massive discounts for the YRM, and they started their Valentine's promotions. I'm relonging it here. I've made way too much. I don't need more than 1,500. Opening bell. Wow. Wow. The whole profit disappeared. Not the whole profit, sorry, 1,000. That's enough. But look at that big drop, guys. That's certainly something, right? That's certainly something. Ooh. Look at that big. We made a new low today. Testing a little long here. I'm out here. 600. Great. Lovely profit, guys. Lovely profit there. Boom. Celebration time. Thank you. What do you guys think? Will this level hold here? We're making a little bit too much money for the Lucid. We've got some trades running, guys. A little too much. I sold partially. A little too much on this account. I'm out. We made $7,392 here. That's too much, right? For the Lucid Flex. This is a different one than we made earlier, 3,000. I'll share with you. We've made money on that one too, guys. $7,392. It's too much because it's 50% consistency, or what is it? 40%. It's too much, guys. We gotta cut something. We gotta lose something. So for a nice loss, we gotta lose down to 4,500. That's like 3 grand. I'm gonna short it. We need to lose 3,000. I think we can easily lose 3,000 here by shorting, right? There you go. Come on. 3,000. Lucid Flex on the funded state, no consistency, but these are evaluations, guys. These are evaluations. That's why it's the first day. Beautiful. 4,400. Great profit there, guys. That's all I need. I need another day of this amount and I'm good to go. But let me see the other one we made money earlier. It's 4,900. We got to lose some money there too, like 500 bucks. I'll be shorting this. Great. We lost enough over here too. It's all lovely. It's all lovely, producing good money. Right? It's all lovely, producing great money. Look at that. Pretty much everywhere, securing big numbers. To target, might test out a third account here. Not this one. One account has been gone. But we got 2 to the target, 4,500, guys, so that's good. One account is gone between the lines. One flex is gone between the lines. Testing out a quick short here. I'm out. No. It's not going to work out with the shorts for the moment. Pretty strong recovery. Pretty strong recovery. Probably this is going to rip to the upside, guys. Probably this is going to rip. Probably this is going to rip to the upside. Let's see. Rip it. Rip it, guys. Come on. Keep going. Just a little bit more. I'm out for the moment. We've made good money here. We're only down 778, so we made 1,500. Could actually continue ripping higher. I'm back into my long here. I'm back into my long there. The rejection was not that brutal as expected, so I'm back in my long. Let's see if it holds. And runs with a continuation. Pretty good recovery, yeah. The next 1 minute candlestick could actually lead into a nice movement above the 100s. And then we start the giveaways. Come on, guys. Just a little more. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. That was not looking bad. That was not looking like a back candle. I'm putting break even soon. As soon as we turn this one green, there you go. I'm putting break even. Keep going. Keep going, guys. I don't have much time. We have to start a giveaway soon. Break even has been touched, 633 down. I'll take that loss there. We brought 2 accounts to 4,400 profit. So we made pretty much the target of the day for 2 Lucid Flex 150,000 evaluations. One has been lost today and another with 633 down. YRM has been decent. Hitting targets, sometimes the smaller side of the targets, but yeah. Let's just get to the duck race quickly, guys. Market is ripping right now above the 100s we've been talking. There you go. Market is ripping. There you go. Time for the wheel. Time for the wheel. Time for the giveaways. You sign up to the link today. Don't forget to like the video. Come on, let's just turn it up, guys. Gotta leave quickly. So like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. Here's the link. Here's the link for the formula. You want to sign up, you want to be part of the Discord. Make sure to like the video, otherwise you can't participate. I don't think Badger is here today. Let's see. If Badger is here, let me know in the chat, Badger, if you're here today. He told me he has an appointment and is not 100% sure about the live stream. So we'll see if Badger is here today. Probably not. We're still going to wait for a few more seconds. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, guys. Right? Looks like Badger is not here today and we have to organize a little bit different. Which means that we're going to do one single giveaway and share all the 3 accounts. Listen up the way it's going to work. One giveaway, because I got to be quick, that's why, where we share 3 accounts I'm going to share in one giveaway today. First account, first winner will be 25,000 top 1 futures end of the day. Second winner, 50,000 Lucid Flex. Third winner, 50k YRM. Right? So I'm just writing in the chat. Those are the 3 accounts we're going to share in a single giveaway. I have to hurry up today and I got no time. Plus Badger is not here. That's why we don't do multiple giveaways. We're going to share all the 3 accounts in this giveaway. So how you participate, make sure you completed a form, make sure you've liked the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, and you have joined our Discord too, right? These are absolutely mandatory, guys. Now listen up, guys. We're only going to have a single number on the wheel. We're only going to have a single number on the wheel. I'm gonna take all the winners, have a race, and top 5 will go second round. From that top 5, the top 3 is going to receive those accounts that you guys have been seeing on the chat, right? So we're going to do first round with everyone, then top 5 second round of duck race. But we got to do this thing with the wheel. So, one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Simple and straightforward. One guess per person. The number is going to be 7. You can start right now. Best of luck, guys. Number 7. This one alone. No other numbers. Just number 7. Guess the number. Guess the number with a 7. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, everyone. And then top 5 will go to the second round. Top 5. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. We're going to spin this one. And in the meantime, I'm going to do my job. Yep. Congratulations for the winners. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. We got this one. No hard numbers today. Gotta be quick. You got this number 7, guys. Was not difficult, right? Gotta be quick today. Have an appointment, right? So this is the place the entire list is going to be located with all the persons that got in. We have 167 guys listed. 167 competing for 30 seconds only. 30 seconds competition time for 167 folks. Best of luck, everyone. Top 5 will go to the second round, and then top 3 is going to win accounts. Top 5 will go to the second round. Top 3 will win the accounts I've mentioned at the beginning. Best of luck, guys. We're sharing 3 accounts in this single giveaway. Top 5 will go second round. Oh, look at that. Time to see them Palookas once again there. Hey, once again. Good job, guys. And these are the top 5. We're going to see if their names are appearing on the giveaway form. If you guys completed a form, we're going to find it out right now. So, who's the first? Palooka. Did you fill up the form? Yes, Palooka Mealy is here. Dennis. Dennis. Double N. That's the problem. We don't have you with double N as well. Dennis, what happened? Unfortunately, you missed the chance, Dennis. Dennis, you missed the chance. Let's see. Denny. No, it's here, Dennis. Dennis is here. Dennis Leopold. Yeah, Dennis Leopold. So, you're confirmed, buddy. Smooth. Smooth operator is here. So, the first three are here. Mahbooba. Mahbooba. Are you here? Yes, Mahbooba. FX. Great. So, the first four are here. Krazozith. And then we have Krazozith. This guy is also here. Great. So we've got you folks. Now it's time for me to set the top 5. The first one was Palooka, right? Palooka. Dennis. Smooth. Mahbooba. Krazozit. This way. All of you will appear once on the wheel because top 3 will win. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Top 3 will win. Once again, the first rank will get a Tap 1 Futures instant funded. Yeah, we've got you. A little late today. Things have been a little quicker because I'm running on an appointment. So who's going to win today, guys? Top 3 will get the accounts today. First ranked will receive $25,000 Tap 1 Futures first ranked. Smooth, $50,000 Lucid Flex account. And Palooka, $50,000 YRM account. Look at that one, guys. Congratulations for the winners. These are the top 3 winners. Reach out to me on Discord. Krazozit and Dennis, unfortunately, it was not your day. Out of 5, 3 were the winners, but you guys missed out. Congratulations, guys. We got to be quick today. That's why we've been doing it earlier. And we've done all the... You were pretty close, Krazozit. Pretty close to that. There you go. Thank you guys once again. You had to do it a little earlier. Continuing tomorrow, guys. We had a decent day in trading. I would say good. Look at that price section. It's going wild and nuts. So we're happy about it. Thank you guys. Be careful. Be careful. We talk to you soon. We keep it up on Discord. Have a lovely day, lovely time.